Hey, I'm Paul Rabalais here, author of the 5-Week Marketing Plan for Estate Planning Attorneys to really help them grow their business. I'm here today to talk to you about week 3. As you probably already know, week 1 is developing that free offer, that informational piece that people really want, they can't get anywhere else. Week 2 is building out that content-rich website with a lot of greek content added to regularly. It's an awesome website. Search engines love it, clients love it. But developing your free offer and building out your content-rich website is just a start. That's just the first steps. That's not enough. So now, once that's done, we roll into week 3, which is the drip marketing campaign. So the dripping is really where you will convert those prospective estate planning clients to actual estate planning clients. They got to hear from you often these days. People don't buy a service until they've been, exposed to information 7, 8 times. So it takes that drip campaign where you build your trust, you build your credibility. Your prospective clients need that, and once they get that, you're going to be the person that they want to hire. So there's lots of different drip campaigns. There's short-term drip campaigns. There's long-term drip campaigns. I'm going to talk to you in a minute about what a short-term drip campaign can look like. But a short-term drip campaign is a bunch of messages in a short period of time. A couple of reasons that's important is because a bunch of messages over a short period of time will, one, it'll cement your name in the mind, not only your name, but your name, your law firm's name, the estate planning services that you provide. Some short, valuable messages over a short period of time will cement that stuff, in their mind. The other reason why short-term campaigns, a lot of messages in a short period of time, are really successful is because the prospective client just asked for information from you. So it's on the top of their mind. They're ready to act, and since they proactively sought out this information, a bunch of short messages in the short term can really, kind of put them over the edge and have them ready to say, hey, let's do business together. We need to take care of this. It's not good enough anymore just to stay in touch with prospective clients. That awkward phone call when somebody raises their hand or they express an interest and you don't want to lose them, so you call them a week later or 2 weeks later, hey, just staying in touch. It's kind of awkward. They're not ready. You're not ready. Doesn't work anymore. Even the personal handwritten notice, thoughtful as that is, you really need to show your expertise and show your personality with the dripping and the ongoing communications. All of those communications need to convey a message. Hey, not only do we know what we're talking about, but we'd be a pleasure to work with. So that's what the drip campaign does. Let me give you an example. What I love about the drip marketing campaigns, it is 100% set it and forget it, because you got enough to worry about as an estate planning lawyer. What do these clients need? Why are these clients calling? Why didn't these clients understand what I told them 3 days ago? Where am I going to get my next client? So any number of things. Let me look up this special needs issue or this estate and gift tax issue. You got enough to worry about running an estate planning practice. The ability to have a series or many drip campaigns where you just set it and forget it and don't worry about it, it's awesome. Let me give an example of just a sample, maybe short-term marketing campaign. The beauty is, it's all set up, this is my surface, and everything's just set up electronically using the right autoresponders, the right software, the right messages. It's something that you can have set up for you once, and then thousands of messages will be sent over the months and years, some while you sleep, and you'll be communicating with clients and you don't even know it, giving them valuable information. So give you an example. We were working with an attorney from the Midwest, and we started working with him just a few short weeks ago, and so he jumped on his free offer, which had to do with elder law or avoiding nursing home poverty. He jumped on that, did a great job getting that prepared. We built his website. His website looks fantastic. He wrote a bunch of blogging material, fresh, new content, and all that get added, and he's going to continue to add material, and we're going to watch his website just climb up the Google rankings over a period of weeks and months. So all that's going great, but that's just a start. Now it's time for the drip campaign and for us to develop that with him. So his free offer is right smack dab there on the home page. And so it's got a great title. It's well written. People are going to love to read it in his state. It's applicable to people in his state. He did a really good job. And so the offer for people to get that is right there on the home page of his website. So what will happen now is as people find his website, they'll click on the buttons to get to get his free offer, because it truly is information that people in his state can't get anywhere else they really want it. So here's what the drip campaign looks like. You know, as soon as they fill out that web form, those people will be sent an email from this attorney, and it'll provide, you know, the link to the free offer. Now, the free offer in this case is a written report. Could have been a video, could have been an audio, could have been a narrated text video, could be a recording of a webinar, could be an ebook. But in this case, it was just what we called his special report. About 12, 15 pages long, packed with really good information. So drip one is they click the button, they fill out the web form, they get their link, it happens automatically. 2 days later, they get drip number two. Drip number two is just kind of a follow-up email to drip email number one. Drip email number two, just, hey, making sure you got the link. In case you missed it, here's the link. You know, look forward to sharing additional information with you. Drip email three is where really you want to ask them if they found the information helpful. It's a great opportunity in drip email 3 to motivate them to read it or watch it if they hadn't read it yet. It's a great opportunity to ask for feedback, which leads us 2 days later to drip email number 4, where you tell a story. Tell a story about how somebody used the information that you provided and how it helped their family. Facts tell, stories tell, sell, tell a story in drip number 4. Drip number 5, offer an additional tip. Something that you didn't mention in the free offer, but it's additional information that they'll find helpful. 2 days later, drip email 6, answer a question. As lawyers, we're asked estate planning questions every day. So in drip email 6, just state a question that you're often asked about this particular niche topic within estate planning and answer the question. Finally, drip email number 7, because it takes 7 exposures before a buyer is ready to purchase a service, offer them an opportunity to come in and talk to you. So that's a quick, short-term nurture campaign. Lots of exposures, lots of good information. The prospective clients are going to love you because you're staying in touch with them. You're providing them with information much more so than anybody else in your community is doing. It's a critical part of building your estate planning practice. If you'd like to have, all of this stuff in place, you're going to be shocked at how easy it is to work with our business PAR estate planning client attraction marketing systems. To simply have all this customized for you and put in place for you, it's amazing how easy it is, and really you're not going to be able to prosper and make it without something like this, with the 5 weeks. Week 1, the free offer. Week 2, the content-rich website. 3, all the drip marketing campaigns. 4, become a book author. And then 5, public events. So if you'd like to find out more, a couple of things you can do. You can call our office, 866-491-3884. You can go to our website, paresstateplanning.com. Likely to have some upcoming events where you can watch a webinar, you can listen in on a recorded or a conference call, perhaps even attend a live event that's upcoming. So lots of ways for you to get valuable information, but I guarantee that you're going to be shocked at how simple it is to work with us and have all this put in place. So I'm Paul Rabelais. Have a great day.